For intraday trading, I have selected Bajaj Finance in my trading list, and I have also made my position in this stock. So currently I am in profit. So let us see what will be market having in the basket for my this trade. So let us discuss the reasons why I have selected Bajaj Finance. So very first reason that I always look in every stock before placing the trade is the current dominating pressure or who is controlling the price of that particular stock. So in case of Bajaj Finance, sellers are dominating. Price is in control of sellers. So you can we can expect a downward momentum or downward movement. So that is what happening from 13th of December, that is on Monday. So on Tuesday and today is also it is in continuous move. So dominating pressure in this stock is selling. This is the first reason, and the second reason that the creation of this particular build-up. This build-up when I was actually scanning the stocks for today's trading. So I picked this stock because if momentum will start in downward direction, then that will be a high probable trade. So that is what happened today, because if market will be in red and current dominating pressure of stock is also in red, that is sellers are dominating. So two confirmations are aligned already, and third confirmation was provided by this particular build-up or consolidation period, where you can see upper wick or more, the candles which are having upper wick are more in numbers as compared to the, let me zoom in the chart. So here you can see here selling pressure, here one more buying, but still upper wick is present. So here upper wick, here you can see that kind of sellers are dominated in this. Here again selling pressure, selling pressure, selling pressure, and the price was pushed below. But again buyers came because it was the actually the closing last 15 minutes, but still again it has upper wick, again upper wick, upper wick. So sellers are dominating. Here you can also see that upper wick, presence of upper wick in most of the candles in this particular fight or a consolidation period was a clear indication of the dominance of the sellers. So three confirmation along with the today's market confirmations. So dominating pressure of this stock is selling, and this particular consolidation period also showed us that price, there will be a high chance of movement of price in downward directions. The only thing that is needed to drive the price in downward direction is the market movement. If the market will be in green, then there may be a chance that it will not move in downward directions. But that was not the case in the morning. In the morning, market was in red, and still it is in red, and the price of Bajaj Finance is moving down. So these three regions has given me a clear indication that I should go for short in this trade. So let me tell you one more thing here. These three candles, what you can expect from this? Still it is giving a kind of sell signal over here. What candlestick pattern is this? It is a evening star. So in this case we can consider accuracy of this pattern is 70%. So it may fail, but out of 10, 7 times this particular this candlestick pattern will work. So here we can also consider this. See here how the price is going down. So here you can actually, if you are trading on the base of candlestick pattern, then in this kind of pullback or the retesting of price, we should see these kind of candlestick pattern. So this is the actual live chart. It is getting created. Okay, so let's come to the analysis part. Very first candle broken this particular build-up zone, and this trend line was also broken, but the candle was again very large, and a large red candle indicates a continuation of selling, and it's a Maruboju. So interpretation of Maruboju, you know very well. If you are not a beginner, if you are at intermediate level, then you have a very good idea what is the meaning of this red Maruboju. And price again started moving down. So reverse here, price was rejected first time here today on 920 candle, and this high was not broken by this. So again this swing high was created. When this swing high was created, so I was actually able to make a clue that price may take U-turn from here. So I have placed my uh, and one more thing, if you can see, this is a bearish engulfing pattern here. So bearish engulfing pattern was a right thing to place trade. So I actually made my position over here once the this particular 940 candle low was broken, with the stop loss above the high of 940 candle also. So see here how evening star is working. So let me disable the volume. You can clearly see here. Here you have already got, I think, more than 1:1 risk reward ratio. So let us see what will happen today with this stock. So this is the analysis part, how I opened my position, and as of now I am running in profit. Stock actually stocks value is quite high, so I have also taken not that much quantity that I usually take. So this is all about analysis, and the result is that I am profit, and I will not make anything that will make you me in green. Market will be in green, but I will not be in green because I have trailed my stop loss to 1:1 risk reward ratio. So this is the result part. Analysis is that you should have the skills or the kind of uh, your in-depth knowledge that the each that will help you to reach what the traders are saying when in the creation of particular bar. So every bar has some informations, and it is your skill that will extract that information to help you to place your trade accordingly. So this is the learning lesson, and this is very actually at the bottom level, but more important. So this is all about today's trade plan. Thank you guys. Keep trading, keep watching, keep supporting, and most important, keep learning. Thank you. Bye.